Hello dear students and welcome to DAV Moil Public School. Let's start our today's online session of Standard 9th Mathematics, and today we will revise the unit Heron's formula. So let's see what is Heron's formula.
If your classroom is rectangular with length 10 meter and width 8 meter, its perimeter would be 2 into length plus breadth equals to 36 meter. And what is its area? Its area equals to length into breadth, that is 10 into 8 equals to 80 meter square. Now unit of measurement of length and breadth, we take it as meter or centimeter, that is cm. But when we write the unit of measurement of area, we have to write it as meter square or square meter, you can say centimeter square or square centimeter. So be careful while writing the units. Now suppose you are sitting in a triangular garden. Is it possible for you to calculate its area? Yes, it is possible because already we know the formula. In the previous classes also we have studied it. That formula of area of triangle is half into base into height. But dear students, today we are having a fun with new formula of area of triangle. Let us recall how to find when we know its sides. Now it is possible in equilateral triangle. See here, PQR triangle is the equilateral triangle. So when you draw the perpendicular from P on QR, it becomes the median, means it divides the QR into two equal parts. So PQ equals to 10 centimeter and QM equals to 5 centimeter. So by using the Pythagoras theorem, it is very possible and easy for us to calculate the length PM square. So PQ square equals to PM square plus QM square. Substitute the value. You will get PM equals to 75. PM square equals to 75 means PM equals to 5 root 3. Now we can easy way to calculate the area of triangle, that is half into base into height. So what is the base? Base is 10. Height is just now we have calculated. So the answer is 25 root 3. So in this way, when height and base is given, it is very easy for us to calculate the area of triangle. The formula given by Heron's about the area of triangle is also known as Hero's formula, and it is given as area of a triangle equals to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Now what is s here? See here, a, b, c are the three sides of the triangle, and s is what? S is the semi-perimeter. For that you must know the perimeter. What is the perimeter? Sum of all sides. What are the sides? A, B and C are the sides. So perimeter is A plus B plus C, and semi-perimeter means half of the perimeter, that is A plus B plus C divided by 2. So this is the value of S. So if you will substitute this value of S and put the values of ABC in the given equation, you will get the area of triangle. Now there must be a question, might be a question in your mind, why we are using this formula when we know the easy formula for area of triangle. So dear students, when in a triangle height is not given and also it is not possible for you to calculate the height, in that case this formula is very useful to us. This formula, Heron's formula, it is helpful when there is no height is given and we have to calculate the area of triangle. So let us apply it to calculate the area of triangular park ABC. See here, three sides are there of triangular park, 32 meter, 40 meter and 24 meter. Here you can take any of these as A, B and C. So let's take A equals to 40 meter, B equals to 24 meter and C equals to 32 meter. So we have 40 plus 24 plus 32 all divided by 2. because perimeter divided by 2 gives you semi-perimeter, half of the perimeter, and that equals to 48 meter. So again in the formula it is there s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. So we will calculate its value. See here, s minus a equals to 8 meter, s minus b equals to 24 meter and s minus c equals to 16 meter, and therefore area of the triangular park ABC equals to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, that is 48 into 8 into 24 into 16 equals to 384. Dear students, this square root you can find out by the prime factorization of the square root. You have already studied in standard 8th. You have already studied this, how to find the square root by prime factorization method. So only here you have to find the prime factors and take out the 1 number common. Through the square root sign you will get the answer 384. Now if you will see here in this question, 32 square means side square plus 24 square equals to 1600, and square, that is third side, equals to also 1600. Therefore this theorem satisfies the Pythagoras theorem, and the sides of the triangular park makes the right angle, and the largest side is BC with 40 meter and the smallest is B, that is 20 meter, and therefore the hypotenuse and the angle between side AB and AC will be of 90 degree. AB and AC will be of 90 degree, means it is a right angle. So by using the formula 1, that is half into base into height, we can check here now the formula whether it is true with the Heron's formula answer or not. So half into base into height is what? See here, half into 32 meter into 24 meter. As A becomes 90 degree, 1 is height and 1 becomes the base. So equals to 384 meter, and therefore the area we have got is the same as we found by using the Heron's formula. Find area of triangle whose sides are 8 centimeter and 11 centimeter and the perimeter is 32 centimeter. See dear students, here the sum of all side is given, means perimeter is given and 2 sides are given. So you can directly calculate the third side. How you will calculate? From the perimeter subtract the 2 other sides, you will get the third side. So to calculate the third side, we have to subtract 8 and 11 from the 32. So that gives you 32 centimeter minus 8 plus 11 centimeter equals to 13 centimeter. Now already perimeter is given, so we don't have to calculate a plus b plus c upon 2 because already perimeter is there 32 centimeter. So half of it is what? 16 centimeter. So semi perimeter is equal to what? 16 centimeter. Now calculate the value of s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. A is what? S is what? 16 centimeter. So 16 minus 8, 16 minus 11 and 16 minus 3. So that gives you 8 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. And therefore the area of triangle equals to square root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Now substitute the value. 16 into 8 into 5 into 3 centimeter square equals to what? Now split up this 16, 8, 5 and 3 into the prime factors. So that gives you 16 means what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and 8 means 2 into 2 into 2, and 5 and 3 are as it is because they are the prime factors. Now from the pair of 2 we can take out one common outside the square root sign. So 3 2 comes out and the remaining numbers are as it is because they are the single one. So 2, 5 and 3 are as it is inside the bracket. So when you calculate 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, it becomes 8, and here inside the square root sign 5 3s are 15 and 15 2s are 30, and therefore the area of triangle is 8 square root of 30 centimeter square. In this way we have to calculate the area of triangle by Heron's formula. A triangular park ABC has sides 120 meter, 80 meter and 50 meter. A gardener Dhania has to put a fence all around it and also plant grass inside. How much area does she need to plant? Find the cost of fencing it with barbed wire at the rate of rupees 20 per meter, leaving a space 3 meter wide for the gate on one side. So here first we will calculate the area of triangular park. Just now we have seen how to calculate it. So first find out the perimeter and then semi-perimeter. Perimeter is already there. We have to add 50, 80 and 120. 250 meter is the perimeter. So semi-perimeter is what? 125 meter. And then we will calculate S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. The values of it are 5, 45 and 75 meter. Substitute the value in the area of park. You will get 375 square root of 15 meter square. Also the perimeter of park is 250 meter. But here the total length needed for the gate on one side is 3 meter. So this length of wire we have to subtract from the total length. So the length of the wire needed for fencing is, leaving the space for the length of the gate is 247 meter. And now the rate is given to rupees 20 per meter. So what we have to do? We have to multiply this cost by the total length of the wire. So the answer is rupees 4940. The sides of the triangular park plot are in the ratio of 3:5:7 and its perimeter is 300 meter. Find its area. Here, dear students, sides are not directly given, ratio is given, and you are aware when the ratios are given what we will take? We will take some variable so that it becomes, so let the sides in meters are 3x, 5x and 7x. Now perimeter means what? Sum of all sides. So 3x plus 5x plus 7x equals to 300 meter. So 15x equals to 300, which gives us x equals to 20 meter. And therefore we can calculate now the sides of the plot. That is 3x means 3 into 20, 5x means 5 into 20 and 7x means 7 into 20 meter. So the sides are 60 meter, 100 meter, 140 meter. Now already we know the perimeter, it is 300 meter. So what is the semi-perimeter? 150 meter. Substitute the value and find out the answer. The area of the rectangular plot is 1500 square root of 3 meter square. So dear students, today we know now one more formula to calculate the area of triangle, which is known Heron's formula. So this formula now you have to use to calculate the area of triangle. So here is a small assignment for you so that you can use that Heron's formula to calculate the area of triangle. So here some more problems so that you will keep on doing your practice and do the perfect and become the perfect one in the Heron's formula. So dear students, try to solve these questions by using the Heron's formula whenever it is possible for you. And if sometimes it is possible for you to calculate the area of triangle using half into base into height, then also you can use that formula to calculate the area of triangle. So solve this assignment and submit within 2 days. Thank you dear students. Have a nice day.